Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed. On the application of iQIYI, we go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about iQIYI app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store, you will search about iQIYI app and here you can update your app if you find updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us.